Alright guys, I was honestly planning to make this a silent POV, but to be honest I can't keep quiet for that long. So this is just gonna be a quick 5-minute video of 5 things I like about the new 2021. Well, it's not new, it's like a 2021 Toyota RAV4, but 5 things I like about this one compared to the older Toyota RAV4 models. One is the huge screen we get. Like, it's a good 6 inches of new screen. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto is included naturally. Heated and ventilated seats, and the coolest part is all the modes we have down here. Hopefully this zooms in nicely. So yeah, we got Eco, Normal, Sport, Snow, Mud and Sand, and Rock and Dirt. So we're gonna stick Sport. And this thing has, I want to say, a 6-speed transmission. Kinda wish it had paddle shifters, but Toyota would never put something that fun in a RAV4. We all know that, but hey, you can only wish sometimes. But honestly, I feel like manual would do me justice. I kinda wish you would have like paddle shifters, just because I like the feel. Like, most higher end cars have paddle shifters instead of like a manual gearbox. So it's just me just trying to feel fancy. That's just me. But this thing does have a 4-cylinder pushing around, I just want to say 186 horsepower, around that power band. Oh no, I lied, this thing's an 8-speed automatic. This thing has 8 gears, which is 2 more compared to the old RAV4. Because I used to drive a RAV4 and it has 6 gears. It was a 2016 RAV4 LE. Honestly, not bad. Kudos to Toyota for adding 2 more gears. I guess it makes shifting and the transmission a bit more engaging, not gonna lie. But in sport mode, it doesn't really feel that different from the regular modes, because the Eco light keeps coming on every time I'm not stepping on it. So it doesn't redline long enough for you to stand in the optimal power band, unless you decide to, for example, put in normal mode. Let's do that. We're gonna try some normal mode driving, lower so you guys can see what I'm seeing ish. And honestly, let's just have some fun with this little RAV4. We only have it for a bit because I honestly didn't want to review this one. I was trying to review something a bit more engaging, something a bit more exciting, but this is what I got for you guys for today. But let's take this moment and enjoy this car for a bit then, because not everybody has access to a RAV4, so I might as well review for you guys. Oh, acceleration comes in a good 6.6 seconds ish. That's my rough estimate, because again, I'm just gonna give you my raw experience and what I think the car is doing, because not gonna lie, I think it's doing a pretty decent job. Red lines all the way up to 7,000 RPM before you get into the red danger zone. But honestly, it's not a bad SUV though. 4-seater, all-wheel drive, front-wheel drive biased. You get lane assist, you get blind spot monitoring. No moonroof though, unfortunately, but it's okay. And I'm pretty sure you can go off-roading with this one if you really, really wanted to as well. Like, off-roading in a RAV4 is not a dumb idea. You just have to probably get better tires, get it lifted a little bit, and honestly, you should be good, to be honest. Yeah, that's really all you need, the more you think about it, because this thing has the height already. You just probably have to lift it a little bit higher, because we have cars like the Jeep Wrangler that also do that, but are slightly higher off the ground. And this one's just much more comfortable compared to a Jeep Wrangler. Like, for daily driving, I'll take a RAV4 over a Jeep Wrangler any day of the week. For off-roading, I would take a modded RAV4 over a base model stock Wrangler, because the RAV4 is just gonna be much more reliable and just much more rigid, to be honest, and honestly a bit more predictable, which is honestly not bad though, not bad at all. But anyway, this was Morty. Just quick little thoughts on the RAV4. Anyway guys, take care and take it easy. Peace.